What's going on YouTube? It's Mr. Crypto Vet coming at you with a video that is very near and dear to my heart. And I think this one is going to be one of the more important videos that I put out there. And it kind of coincides with the 8 Minute Trader, but not necessarily only the 8 Minute Trader. This coincides with Novatech. This coincides with any other project that I'm working on. This coincides with network marketing in general. And today we're going to be talking about passive income and why it is so important, especially in these interesting times that we're in as an economy, as a whole. But just when you think of passive income, I know this can be a very difficult concept for a lot of people to understand. But the reason why it's so important and why I don't understand why more people don't hop on the bandwagon is because traditionally speaking, we're brought up and we're coached and it's ingrained in our mind. Go out there, get a job, get an education, get a degree, and then just go to work for somebody. Get on the 40-40-40 plan. And that's working 40 hours a week for 40 years and only retiring on 20% of which you could only afford to live on before. And so I'm not really about that. And I'm just going to share a little bit of my story, which I know probably most of you guys don't care about, but I'm going to share it anyways, just so you can get the big picture of things and why or why I'm such an advocate for passive income. The reason why is because I'm from South Central LA. I was born and raised there. I went to school right in Watts, California. If y'all know anything about Watts, like it's a pretty rough part of town. I'll put it to you that way. Um, my high school has been featured in many movies, and not in the good kind of movies, probably in the more of the gang movies that you've seen in the media. But I say all that to say I didn't go to like this glorious school and have like this super fancy education, anything like that. I graduated high school. I did a semester of college and said, man, that's way too expensive for me. I ended up going into the military. I did 8 years in the military total active service. And I'm in my transition of separating from there. I'm actually not affiliated with the military anymore. I've just been in a downward coast because of what passive income has allowed for me and for my family. Just going out and talking to people, sharing different opportunities with people. It just makes sense, you guys. Literally, I try and beat it into people so often, but I can't get everyone to understand, and it's not my job to make everyone understand. It's either you get it or you don't. Literally, I mean, over here, you can work a job, and that job, the average household income in America is about 55 to 60,000, right? Okay, no big deal. Passive income, we just us alone, our community, we're right at about 500 subscribers, right? Our community alone can be a complete game changer. Not even talking about the people who you know, your family, your friends, things like that. If you just share this opportunity or any opportunity really with 3 to 5 people who you know, first of all, they hate their job, they're unsatisfied, they don't find fulfillment in what they do, they want to earn more, they don't, they want to have the freedom and the flexibility to do what they want with who they want whenever they want. I mean, network marketing is literally perfect for them. I look at passive income as the cheat code for life, right? Because we know for a fact, especially Youngevity and the 8 Minute Trader, Youngevity has been around for 25 years. They're not going anywhere. It's pretty evident. It's pretty clear. Um, we know for a fact that when someone enrolls, you're going to get a check. Like it's that simple. And then we put everyone on an auto ship, right? And you're going to continue to get paid over and over and over and over and over again. And the more and more people that you tell about this, the faster that snowball effect is going to roll, right? And we know the checks are real. I mean, I got my check already. I got it right here. I also have another special box that I just received from Youngevity. I'm gonna do an open right here in front of you guys so you can see what's in that box. But my goal and my hope is that you guys really understand the true power of passive income. It is literally just a math example. Okay, it is just a math example of the amount of money that you can make. what is your goal? Is your goal to make 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 a month? All you have to do is reverse engineer. Okay, how many people do I need to talk to? Okay, let's start with the 3 to 5 to the core. Share the same exact message with them. Hey, I can literally, if you follow my plan, I can guarantee you, because it's just a math example. If you follow my plan, if you do exactly as I say, I can guarantee that I can replace anyone's income within 12 to 24 months. And that's it's just a fact. It's a mathematical fact that I can replace someone's income within 12 to 24 months if you take the steps and do what I say to do. And in a lot of cases, it's much faster than that if you act quickly. So it's all about your sense of urgency. How fast do you want to build this thing? Really? I mean, we have the entire community of people that we could just do it right here with us together alone. So here's some common questions that people are probably asking in the back of their mind right now, that they can't vocalize to me, whether that's they're afraid to reach out to me on Telegram or email or what have you, because all my contact information is down below in the description box of this video. But those questions are: number one, is this real? Absolutely, it's real. Like I mentioned, Youngevity in particular, which is just one of the companies that I'm working with, you got to have multiple streams, right? They've been around for 25 years. Absolutely, it's real. There's thousands, hundreds of thousands of testimonials of people getting paid out there. I've been to their physical location in Chula Vista, California. There's actually a video on my channel where you can go check it out. I did a tour of their facility, and you can see exactly how real this company is. It doesn't get any more real than this. I actually laid hands on it. I've gotten checks. I've gotten welcome packages, thank you packages, and a whole spectrum of things. So is this real? Absolutely, it's real. The second question that people are going to ask is, can I do this? Can I do this? Absolutely, you can do this. If you choose that this is something that you want to do, absolutely, you can take the helms and run as fast or as slow as you want to. If you run faster, obviously your results are going to kick in a whole lot quicker. But it's literally just, I'll put it to you this way. Let me ask you a question. How many, if you pull out your cell phone right now, how many millionaires do you have easy access to that you can just call up right now and ask for advice or ask them to take a look at an opportunity that you're working with? How many? I'll give you a couple seconds. Okay. All right. So you have that number in your head, right? Or in your mind, whatever. For majority of the people who are looking at this video, not everyone, majority of the people who are looking at this video, that answer is zero. There's zero contacts in their phone of a millionaire, multi six-figure earner in the network marketing space, in the passive income space. Majority of people that you know are in similar circumstances as yourself, who are working a job, right? So if that's the majority of what you know, that's the majority of who you know, then why do you think that they would want to be stuck in that exact same situation for the rest of their life, right? They want to get out of the rat race just like you and I do, right? Or well, just like you, right? And I've been blessed that I don't ever have to work again, probably for the rest of my life if I choose not to. But why is this an opportunity that you wouldn't want to share with someone who's in your same exact shoes, right? I mean, it just makes sense. It's like referring a good movie to somebody or referring a good restaurant to somebody. It's the same exact concept. So is this something that you can do? Absolutely, it's something that you can do. The third question that people are going to be asking is, what's in it for me? And I can go on and on and on and on about this topic of what's in it for me. I mean, literally, and I've touched on a lot of these already, but time freedom, not having to work for anybody else except for yourself. That's one of the biggest takeaways. Ever since the virus came out in 2020, and people have experienced this telework vibe and working from home, like people are getting accustomed to that, and a lot of people are quietly quitting their jobs. So why not just take that full step and quit altogether once you set yourself up for a good stream of passive income? It just makes sense. What else is in it for you? I mean, literally, the passive income. That's like the biggest thing. And the money is important. Yes, don't get me wrong. And if anyone tells you that money is not important, they're lying to you. Because if money wasn't important, then you can give me your paycheck, right? Or if money wasn't important to you, then stop going to work and see what happens, right? And so obviously it's not, money isn't the most important thing, but it is pretty important to do the things that we need to do on a daily basis, right? So earning the passive income is definitely one of the benefits for you. Networking and getting the chance to meet new people, that's a huge one. Being able to go where you want to, whenever you want to, at any time of the day, with who you want to. Being able to retire your spouse or your parents. Being able to afford the best schools for your kids, if that's something that you want to do. Like, there's so many endless possibilities that you can do with money. I know there's a lot of tension in the United States in particular. And there's so many people who complain about politics and so many people who complain about everything really. But at the end of the day, I don't really listen to news. I don't have any kind of particular party that I associate myself with, because I look at it this way. Who controls all those decisions? It's policymakers, and the people who are high up in the chain. They have a lot of what? Money, right? So if we come together as a community, I'm telling you, there's endless possibilities that you can do with a passive income opportunity. The fourth thing that people are going to be asking in the back of their minds is, will you help me? Because nobody wants to do this alone. I've been in plenty of opportunities in the past where I just got started and I felt like I had no help, no support from my upline, or just anyone from the company for that matter. Well, I'm here to let you know, rest assured, I've got all my personal contact information down in the description below, and I'm here to help you, because I'm not successful unless you're successful. And my goal is to really, like I said, I don't even necessarily have to do this part of the passive income, because I'm set up in another way where I can just reap the benefits from other trading platforms and things like that, weekly ROIs that I get. But my goal is simply to help you. And so reach out to me, use me as your upline, use me as the person that you edify, so that I can edify you back when you want to introduce this to somebody else. I have a pretty good size influence on YouTube, which, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the like button on this video. But I feel like I have a pretty good influence. I came from nothing, pretty much. I came from nothing, and here I am. It's 2022. Never have to work another day in my life. I've got a beautiful home. I got a brand new 2022 Toyota Tundra. But like I said, you guys don't really care about the stuff that I have. You want to know how I can help you achieve those goals that you have. So I'm here to let you know, rest assured, that I'm more than willing, 100%. I am all in. Like, this is what I do all day, every day. I am all in to help you. All right. So with that being said and shared, I want to let you guys know that I got a special package from Youngevity in the mail today, and we're gonna do an opening right here on camera. This is my first time looking at what's in this box. I believe this is for hitting 1 star. I saw on the tracking that they were going to be sending something, and I was like, I didn't really order anything, so I don't know what it is you could be sending. But we're going to take a look here live in front of everyone. So, oh, I thought I got that corner. Maybe I didn't get that corner. There's a bunch of tape on this box. If you guys are hitting 1 star and hitting all these different ranks, just know your box is coming in the mail, and there's a bunch of tape on there. Oh man, this is neat. Check it out. I get the whole thing in there. So it's like a box full of confetti. Got me a nice little Youngevity hat. Bam. Probably need to be wearing that because my hair is atrocious. Let's see. What else did they send us here? Oh, a nice little lapel pin for a suit or a blazer. Let's see here. I'll share that so you guys can take a look at that. Oh my God, I just dropped that. There. That's a little better. You guys can see that, hopefully. Let's see. What else did they say? Oh, wow. This is very nice. Wow, they really go all out. Look at that. That is freaking sweet. 1-star executive. Yeah, that's definitely going on my desk for sure. Put that right back here. That is really neat. A bunch of confetti and stuff like that is pretty much what's left there at the bottom of the box, along with what appears to be some sort of documentation. Let's open that up and see what they got. Oh, bam. Look at that. Oh, my little certificate there. In recognition of your dedication and perseverance in reaching a level of excellence by attaining the rank of 1-star executive. Wow. Oh, and I guess I also flew by these other ones. What's this? Senior associate. I got that as well. And just a regular sales associate. Got that one as well. So 3 awards in one package. Not bad. And a nice little letter, as well as a catalog as well. So that is really, really nice. But at the end of the day, I mean, it's cool to be successful. Don't get me wrong. I appreciate all these gifts, but we're just barely getting started. This is just the beginning. I want to be able to help at least 100 people a month. So if we can turn, you know, a 1-star at least once a day, those are the type of goals that I want to achieve for you guys out there. So if this is something that interests you, if this just makes sense to you, definitely reach out to me. My contact information, as I mentioned, is in the description box below. And you guys have a great weekend, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Take care.